Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. This is grade 5 and I am your science teacher. Okay, our topic of the day is diseases. What is our topic? Diseases. First of all, we are going to learn about disease. What is disease? So, my dear kids, any type of illness is known as disease. Okay. Now, there are many type of diseases. For example, some are respiratory diseases, some are muscular diseases, different diseases we have. But today we are going to learn the diseases which are related to the virus and bacteria. Okay. So, some are viral diseases, some diseases are caused by protozoa. Okay. The question arises in your mind is that what is virus, what is protozoa, what is bacteria? So beta, these are all microorganisms like virus, bacteria, protozoa, fungi. These all are the microorganisms. And what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are those tiny organisms which are responsible of harmful diseases in humans, plants and animals as well. Okay, first of all, we have some viral diseases. First of all, we are going to learn something about the viral diseases. So some illness caused by the virus in human, like influenza, chickenpox, cold, measles, mumps and the coronavirus. Okay, first of all, we have influenza. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is an infectious disease caused by influenza virus. Here are some symptoms like high fever, runny nose, sore throat. Next, we have chickenpox. What is that? Chickenpox. As you can also see the picture of a little child that is suffering from chickenpox. Rashes are formed on the body, and these rashes are just like the little red pimples. Okay, it is also a viral infection, infectious disease which is caused by a virus. Now next we have common cold. What is that? Common cold. Common cold is also just like influenza. It is also a viral disease in which you feel infection in your nose and throat, and symptoms are the same like runny nose, cough, sneezing. Okay, the next we have measles. What is that? Measles. The person that's suffering from this disease is just like the same person as I have shown you in the picture. You can see the picture carefully. Measles is a respiratory infection. It is actually a respiratory infection. A word that is written here, contagious. Contagious mean contagion. Contagious infections are those infections which spread from one person to another person through any type of contact. Okay, so it is a respiratory infection, respiratory disorder. It causes a total body skin rash and flu-like symptoms have like cough, fever, and rash on the all parts of the body. Okay, next we have mumps. Mumps is a viral infection that affects your saliva, and you feel swelling below your ears. Okay, you feel swelling below your ears, and it is the first sign. The first sign of mumps is swelling salivary glands that causes cheeks to puff out. And some other symptoms of mumps are fever and headache. Okay, when we are talking about the viral diseases, how we will forget to explain about the coronavirus. It is a new virus, a newly invented virus, and nowadays the whole world is suffering from this virus. It causes illness, and some of the symptoms are cough, flu, and high fever. And it is one of the most vital virus we all are suffering from that nowadays. Okay, this is all about the viral diseases. Okay, next we are going to learn some of the diseases which are spread by bacteria, bacterial diseases like pneumonia, diarrhea, typhoid. These are the most common bacterial diseases in humans. Okay, first of all, pneumonia, lung inflammation caused by bacterial infection in which the air sac fill with pus and may become solid. Pneumonia is actually such a disorder that disturb the condition of our lungs. Some of the symptoms of pneumonia are cough, fever, and shortness of breath. Like as I have explained you that pneumonia is actually inflammation. Inflammation mean any area, any swollen area where we feel swelling, pain. Okay, so it is actually a lung infection, and the symptoms I have already discussed with you. So this is all about pneumonia. Now we have diarrhea. Diarrhea is also caused, it is a bacterial disease in which the person suffers from loose motion, and symptoms are loose, watery stools, abdominal pain, and high fever. Now we have typhoid. What is that? Typhoid is also a very common bacterial infection in which the person suffers from high fever, vomiting, and it is also a very fatal disease. And the symptoms are weakness, constipation, and headache. Okay, and the last disease is malaria. It is also a very common disease, malaria. Malaria is not caused by virus or any type of bacteria, but it is actually caused by the different parasites. Okay, parasites are also little microorganisms that live in the body of humans, not only humans but also live in the body of animals as well. Okay, so virus is caused, as we all know very well, that virus is caused by the bite of infected mosquito. And a mosquito takes the blood meal from an infected person and takes in plasmodium, which are in the blood of infected person, as we all know. Okay, here is a picture of mosquito that causes malaria in the human beings, and the symptoms of malaria are high fever, headache, and vomiting. So kids, this is all about the diseases that I hope you have learned all the diseases. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.